Alright, hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be unboxing, second unboxing video in Cherry Hill. But anyways, let's get right into the video. So, first thing is my first comic. It is Deadpool. I don't know the name of it. It's really cool and very detailed. And yeah, the next thing I have to put together. But and I don't know how much pages this has, but it has like a lot. Or a little. I think it's a little, but some people say it's a lot. Next one is a vinyl figure. I was so happy to get this. Finally. Right. I guess we'll just do that. I cannot read the instructions because it is all Japanese. I think I got it. Oh. Alright. So first thing. Oh, you have to put it together. Alright. Got the legs. And by the way, the anime is My Hero Academia. I forget his name. Okay, we got the body. Let's put it together. So this is the whole figure. This guy was $40. But look at that. Don't worry, there is a stand. Alright. Okay. Let's put this together. God, it's so hard to get this in without breaking it. Right. That's really cool. Alright. This is the figure that I got. It's worth it. It's worth it. That $40 was worth it. Absolutely. And by the way, one of my friends, she's gonna like this a lot. This is really cool. I thought we were gonna get more. It's just that this guy was a and this was no, this guy was 50. No wait, this guy was 40. This guy was 40 to 90. 42 and 32 cents. And then the book for my comic, this was 23. So yeah. This is so hard and difficult to put up. It's like you have to take this off and then put it on, and then it's very difficult. I have to put him back. I have to get like a more plastic and wrap it in paper. There's other bigger figures of him which I will be getting with my Christmas money. And I am getting something sent in the mail. If you guys don't know what it is, it's a robot. That's it. I'm not giving any spoiler alerts. Bye!